Then another thing, be patient with yourself. It's going to take you at least 3 months to master the budget. So be patient. If you find that 1 month you really went to the restaurant like 4 times the cost of what you actually budgeted, forgive yourself, then move on. Next month, do better. If you find that you're short in a certain category every time, that is a telltale sign that maybe you gave it so little. For example, food for the household. Maybe every week you spend $50 for food at home, right? But then during the week you find that you have to go back to the marketplace and buy some more. So maybe $50 is enough. Maybe you need to increase that category to 80. And that's okay. So a budget is living and flexible. As your life changes, allow the budget to change with you. Because you may be single, then you get married. You may have a low income, then, within 6 months, your income increases. So, include all that. But every month, dedicate time.